What's going on, the YouTube? We're at it again. Thankfully only like a week apart, or 2 weeks apart from my last trip. We are at the Squam Lakes Association. About to put in on Squam Lake. We're going to paddle out to Moon Island, I believe it is. And we're going to be staying out there. We're going to do some fishing. Buddy Bill's with me again. And we brought a newbie along with us, Mike, who you'll meet in a minute. But we're getting ready to put in. We're just going to go ahead and get started. Talk to you soon.
Hi.
How you doing?
Spawning?
Yeah, we don't see any.
A little early still.
Yeah. You guys have good messes out there because I don't think it's going to be easy.
Yeah, I was looking at it like, oh, here we go.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Slow, steady, but, you know, got it, I guess.
Are you rethinking your decision yet, Bill? I said, are you rethinking your decision?
No.
You look at the water, man, it's so clean though.
Yeah.
Over yonder.
Oh, so straight?
I don't think that's it. I think,
Well, I mean, the direction we're going right now. I thought we were going around that point to the right.
yeah, you are, but,
Duck, right?
huh?
Around that dock?
Yeah, but I don't know, I don't think that that's the island. I think we have to go around and it's the next one. But I'm gonna double check right now. Come on.
You got a signal?
Yeah. Woohoo.
Because if we're going that way, I'd rather take that
Yeah, it's pretty much straight out that way. Yeah. That's the trouble with this paddle, is you can't really like hug the coast. You really don't have much of a choice but to run straight out into the lake, you know? The water on the other side is much calmer. When you get to that island and you start paddling around, you get to the other side. Bill, go this way.
Oh, slightly to the right?
Yeah. Out that way. So, like, what is that, 2 o'clock? But what a stupid idea! I feel like Lieutenant Dan right now. Yeah. that the best you can do? Yeah, I'm taking on some water over here. Yeehaw! We'll get there. Say hello, Bill.
Hello, Bill.
You guys haven't met Mike yet. This is Mike.
Hey, what's up?
Yeah, Mike's the new guy. We dragged him out to this island, and he doesn't want to be our friend anymore. So, oh, we're a little. And Mike, you can't say that on YouTube, bud.
Oh, you sound like a kid.
Yeah, but it's crazy windy. Waves are pretty huge. My boat's full of water. But the water is unbelievable. It's really nice. So we hit the wrong side of the island, so we're going to carry our stuff over, and then we are going to paddle around to our little private beach there. So we'll see you in a few. Oh boy. It's going to be a trip getting in, boys and girls. See if we can get up to this rock. Whew. And head over to a little beachy area. Come on now. Oh, the wind and the waves are kind of out of control right now. I'm gonna get this hook in the leg. Come on. Come on. Ah, there we go. We're off. Come on, fish pole. That was interesting. Wind is pretty crazy right now. We're on Moon Island in New Hampshire. On Squam Lake. Water is crazy rough. But beautiful out. Water is crystal clear, like crazy blue. Trying to move my tackle here and not get a barbed hook in the leg. I don't know if you can see the wave, but they make for an uneasy paddle. But we hit that rock, carried our gear to the site. We're just relocating our boats. It's kind of like a little private cove over by the site. Water is unbelievable. Clear, almost like green color. I'll get you a sneak peek here in a minute. Hey. Woo. Oh. Look at the water. Got a load of this. Water is crazy rough right now. Ah, what a kind sir, thanks. Anyways,
Took a little water out of the boat.
yeah, pretty well soaked. I have probably, let's see, a few inches water in there, at least. There we go. We're gonna unload, set some stuff up, right?
Yeah.
So this is Moon 3. I don't think it said anywhere that there weren't any tent pads on the site, but I actually prefer that. I'm gonna use a hammock setup. Pretty sweet. Fire pit. There's a grates over there, I don't even see it. Bench. Fire pit. Pretty nice. Water's right there. Fantastic. So we're gonna set up and get situated and probably head back out on the water.